so since we haven't done one of these in a while, we're going to do another Toucan unboxing. And as is tradition, every year I've done the Pixel for whatever reason. I've been a big fan of the Nexus and Pixel phones. I have the Pixel 2 XL. Today we have the 3 XL, and Ripley's already very interested in what's in here. So we're not going to talk too much about the phone specs and stuff, we're just going to have fun and play with the Toucan. So, why don't we get started? Haven't even taken anything out yet. Look at that, isn't it so interesting? We haven't done it set up on a tripod before, so let's see how this turns out. That comes off. This comes off. Look at this. Oh! What do you think about that? I can get some like B-roll with my other phone. That'd probably be a good idea. Let's do that. So I'll be filming with this phone as well. Look at this. Look at this, Ripley. Oh my goodness. Are you gonna cough a blueberry up for us? You are, aren't you? There you go. Well, that's just delicious. You're not gonna behave yourself on camera? You're just gonna start throwing things up and then eating them again, probably? Yep, there you go. Alrighty. Well, there's the phone. What else is in here? You want to come see? Look at this. Ooh, papers. Your favorite. Want something to rip up? Sticker, Google sticker. A manual. Look, there you go. Look at that. Little things that you can destroy. What's in there? More things you can destroy? Holy Lord. Yeah, go ahead and start destroying them. And there you go. Dropped it already. What else is in here? Look at this stuff. I'm just gonna leave everything out here, like partially, where she can come investigate. What else do we have? I got your cable. What are you gonna do now? Come look at these amazing things over here. And you're gonna there you go. That's what Ripley thinks of the notch on this thing, by the way. That was her review. Well, we don't buy it for the notch, do we? We buy it for the software. No, 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 no. Okay, why are you gonna take that again? Look at all this fun stuff over here. And you just have to steal that. Again. watch this. There's a little trick. If you want to get her to drop it, just throw her something else. Wow, that time it didn't work. She dropped it now. Okay, don't play with that stuff. All this cool stuff over here. Put all this stuff in the box. You like this? I'll be filming you a lot with it. How about that? Well, I guess that's enough for this Toucan unboxing. And the Pixel 3 XL. I'll turn it on and set it up whenever. And we'll catch you guys next time. If you guys are interested in learning more about toucans, please subscribe to our channel. And also, we have a Patreon account now. So if you'd like to support or adopt Ripley and I and help us continue to produce these videos and hopefully go out to other zoos and even film some in the wild, you can support us through here.